What if I told you there's a business idea in 2025 that can generate passive income, scale without limits, and requires almost zero effort to maintain? Sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, this is real. And the best part, hardly anyone is talking about it yet. If you want to get ahead of the trend and build a business that works for you 24/7, then stick around because this might just be the opportunity you've been waiting for. All right, let's not keep you waiting any longer. The business I'm talking about is in the multi-billion-dollar e-learning industry. Yes, online education is one of the fastest growing markets in the world, expected to cross $400 billion soon. Think about it. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera are making millions by selling online courses, and people are willing to pay big money to learn new skills online. But here's the game changer. Why let these big platforms take all the profit when you can launch your own online school and start making money? And before you think it's too complicated, here's the best part. You don't need to be a teacher, a content creator, or even a tech expert. AI can do most of the work for you. Inara This is where AI Live School Builder changes everything. Imagine having a software that builds and runs your entire online school for you. No coding, no hiring, no managing, just plug and play. With AI Live School Builder, you can create an AI-powered e-learning platform in minutes, generate high-quality courses using AI automate student enrollments and course delivery, accept payments, and scale your business effortlessly. In simple terms, this software does everything from setting up your school to handling students and payments so you can focus on growing your income. Now, let me show you exactly how easy it is to get started. Starting your own AI-powered school is as simple as following these 4 steps. Step 1, choose your niche and business model. First, decide what kind of courses you want to offer. Business, coding, fitness, design, or any other skill that people are willing to pay for. You can sell one-time courses, offer memberships, or even create a subscription-based online academy. Step 2, AI creates the courses for you. No time to create courses, no problem. AI tools can generate course content, quizzes, and even voiceover lessons. Just upload and you're ready to go. Step 3, customize and launch your online school. Forget the headache of building a website or writing code. AI Live School Builder makes it super easy to customize your platform, set your pricing, and hit launch. Step 4, AI handles everything else. This is where the magic happens. AI takes care of enrollments, student interactions, and even payments, so you don't have to worry about the back end. Your job, just watch the revenue grow. Let's talk numbers, because at the end of the day, that's what matters. Imagine selling a $100 course to just 100 students. That's a quick $10,000. Now, if you scale with memberships or premium courses, your earning potential becomes unlimited. This is exactly why AI-powered e-learning is the best new business idea for 2025. It's scalable, automated, and requires minimal effort. AI is transforming the way businesses operate, and e-learning is at the forefront of this revolution. The question is, are you ready to take advantage of this massive opportunity? Click the link in the description to get started with AI Live School Builder today. Comment below, what kind of course would you love to launch? Let's discuss. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more game-changing business ideas.